Understanding, time after time, a guide to mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, time after time. This phrase is a gem in the English language, often used in both spoken and written English. It's packed with meaning and emotion, and understanding it can significantly enhance your language skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Get ready to master another piece of the English language puzzle. Time after time is a phrase that speaks volumes about frequency and repetition. When someone says they've done something time after time, they mean they've done it repeatedly over a period. It's akin to saying, again and again, or over and over. This phrase emphasizes the continuous or habitual nature of an action, often highlighting persistence, reliability, or sometimes frustration due to the repetitiveness. Using time after time in your conversations or writing can add depth to your narratives or explanations. Here are a few tips on how to incorporate it effectively. Emphasize repetition. Use it when you want to highlight that an action or event occurs repeatedly. Express reliability. It can show that something or someone is reliable, consistently performing in the same manner. Convey frustration. Sometimes, it's used to express frustration about something that happens too often. Examples in sentences. She proved her dedication time after time by staying late to finish the project. Time after time, he showed up at the last minute, causing everyone to worry. Despite the challenges, they succeeded time after time. Understanding similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary and make your English more versatile. Here are a few. Again and again, similar to time after time, focusing on repetition. Over and over, another synonym focusing on continuous action. Day in, day out, emphasizes daily repetition. Exploring these variations can help you choose the right expression for your context, making your English more precise and expressive. Time after time is more than just a phrase. It's a way to express persistence, reliability, or sometimes annoyance at the repetitive nature of actions or events. It's a versatile expression that, when used appropriately, can add a layer of depth to your communication. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand time after time and its related phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself using these expressions naturally in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.